Hello, this is Jaden with Adventure Pilot here with another quick tip about sketch mode in iFly. So depending on what version or instance of iFly you're on, you'll see either a Tools tab in the bottom right or a Sketch tab. For me, I see a Tools tab because I'm on a newer version of iFly EFB, so I'll click Tools and then Sketch. Now we get this page where we can decide where we want to sketch, so we can sketch on the map, on a blank paper, on graph paper, or on a craft sheet. For me, I'll just sketch on the map, and we can have either a pen tool or a highlighter tool right here. And so whenever you're using the erase tool, it actually deletes the full object to make it easier for you in flight. But let's say I'm done here, so I'll click exit. And then we can actually go back to our sketch tab. So tools, sketch, or we can select sketch. So what this lets us do is actually load up an old sketch we have, in case you have one preset for you with some preset notes. Or we can click manage sketches and we can delete this one. And I'm done managing. That's about it for the sketch tool. I hope you had a fun time watching, and I hope you found this quick tip useful and have a wonderful time flying. Bye now.